Hello students, new topic, that is degree of comparison. Today we are going to study degree of comparison and the kinds of it. There are three kinds of comparison degree. Number one, positive, second is comparative, and third is superlative degree. Now what is positive degree? Positive degree is used to compare two things that are equal. So to understand very easily, I have put the pattern in a formula way, that is S means subject, subject plus to be. To be is the verb form of is, was, are, even past tense were. Subject plus to be plus as plus adjective plus as. And next is subject plus verb plus as plus adverb plus as. Let us go to examples. The first is, this flower is beautiful. Second one, his car runs as fast as a race car. Third, he is an intelligent boy. Now all these three examples are positive degree. Next comes comparative degree. In case of comparative degree, comparisons are made between two things that are not equal. Now the pattern of one syllable, subject plus to be plus adjective plus er plus than. Next is subject plus verb plus adverb plus er plus then. Let us go to examples. The Pacific Ocean is deeper than the Arctic Ocean. Here the comparisons are made between two oceans, that is the Pacific Ocean is deeper than the Arctic Ocean. Let us go to the second example. My brother is taller than I am. Here comparisons are made between two persons. If I quote the next example, my house is bigger than yours. Again the comparisons are made between two houses belong to different two people. The pattern for more than two syllables, subject plus to be plus more plus adjective plus than. Next, subject plus verb plus more plus adverb plus than. Examples, a rose is more beautiful than daisy. Next, Vivekananda was more popular than most other Indian saints. Only thing here, comparisons are made by using more. The next is superlative. It is used to compare one thing with a unit or a group. No comparisons are made here, but not between two persons, not any single one. Here superlative means compare one thing with a unit or a group. The pattern for one syllable is subject plus to be plus the plus adjective plus est. Next is subject plus verb plus the plus adverb plus est. In case of superlative degree, the is compulsory. The article the we are using compulsory, as we are making use of than in comparative. Now let us go to the examples of superlative degree. This is the biggest house in this street. Second, he is the tallest student in this class. We have made use of est. Sachin Tendulkar is one of the best batsmen in the world. The pattern for more than two syllables, subject plus to be plus the most plus adjective, then subject plus verb plus the most plus adverb. Examples, that was the most interesting film I have ever seen. Second, Preeti dances the most gracefully of all the participants. Here Preeti has considered as superior among all the participants. Third one, he is the most intelligent in the class. That means comparing to among all the students, he is the most intelligent. Such kind of sentences is called as superlative degree. Now this is very important thing to note. Now use the form more plus adjective for adjective ending in the following suffixes. We have already learned what is suffix and prefix. Suffix is a word which is added at the end of the root word, that is ed, ful, ing, ish and our. More useful, more boring, more cautious. When an adjective ends in a consonant plus y, this y changes to I and we have to add er or est. For example, happy ends with y, then we have to change that y into I-E-R, that is happier. Then est, happiest. Dry, drier, driest. And for some, OW and add ER or EST. For example, handsome, we are going to add ER, handsomer, handsomest. And narrow, we are adding ER, narrower, and EST, the narrowest. Now dear students, I have put some chart about positive, comparative and superlative adjectives. Kindly write in your notebook and learn it properly. Now there are some more adjectives I have put. You have to frame sentences on all the 3 degrees and complete it. Thank you and have a nice day.